Revive dead soil fast with these 12 plants, no chemicals needed. Fellow soil lovers, if you've been staring at lifeless, compacted dirt and wondering if your garden will ever come alive again, you're not alone. Dead soil is discouraging, but the good news is, it's never truly dead. Soil is a living system, and with the right approach, you can bring it back to life without a single drop of chemical fertilizer. Nature has already handed us the tools we need, plants. Today on SoilSage Chronicles, I'm going to walk you through 12 powerful plants that act like soil doctors. These are not quick gimmicks. They're hard-working, green allies that improve structure, feed soil life, pull up deep nutrients, and restore fertility over time. Whether you're new to gardening or a seasoned grower, this is your roadmap to turning barren dirt into thriving, living soil again. Why plants heal soil better than chemicals? Chemicals may give a quick fix, but they don't restore soil health. They feed the plant, not the ecosystem. Plants, on the other hand, are nature's original soil builders. Their roots break up compacted layers, invite earthworms, feed microbes, and recycle nutrients. As they grow and die back, they add organic matter, which is the true currency of fertile soil. Think of plants as both the doctors and the builders of your garden's underground world. Clover is like the quiet nurse in your soil clinic. This humble ground cover fixes nitrogen from the air, turning it into food your soil can use. It spreads easily, creates a living mulch, and suppresses weeds while it's at it. Alfalfa has roots that can stretch down several feet, mining minerals and nutrients from deep underground. If there were a single plant every gardener should know about for soil healing, it's comfrey. Got soil that looks starved and gray? Buckwheat works fast. It grows quickly, shades the ground, and suppresses weeds. Tall, bright, and beautiful, sunflowers aren't just a treat for the eyes. Sometimes your soil doesn't just need healing, it needs surgery. Enter the daikon radish. Alright folks, let's dive into mustard, the natural cleanser. If you've ever found yourself battling soil diseases or pesky nematodes, mustard could be your secret weapon. It's known as a biofumigant. Its roots and decomposing leaves release compounds that help suppress harmful pests and fungi. Plus, while it's doing all that, mustard adds organic matter and improves soil tilth. Pretty amazing, right? Moving on to vetch, the nitrogen engine. Now, like clover, vetch belongs to the legume family, but it packs even more of a nitrogen-fixing punch. Its sprawling vines cover the ground, protecting it from erosion and the baking sun. As it grows, vetch fills your soil bank with slow-release nitrogen, making it a perfect companion plant for those heavy feeders like tomatoes and corn. It's like having a natural fertilizer on standby. And finally, let's talk about rye, the winter protector. When winter approaches, your soil can lose nutrients to wind and rain, but rye, well, it locks it all in place. Its roots grow vigorously even in cold conditions, holding the soil structure together. So, even in the harshest weather, rye stands strong, keeping your soil healthy and ready for the next planting season. Yarrow may look like a wildflower, but, don't underestimate it. Its deep roots mine nutrients, while its leaves add rich organic material when they drop. Yarrow also attracts pollinators and beneficial insects, which means your soil isn't just improving below ground, but your whole garden ecosystem gets healthier. Few plants are as beautiful and useful as lupines. Their vibrant blooms are, honestly, nitrogen factories, pulling it straight from the air and storing it in nodules on their roots. When the plants die back, that nitrogen stays in the soil, ready for your veggies. Sometimes the best solutions are, honestly, the simplest. Beans are one of the easiest nitrogen fixers to grow, and they're just perfect for beginners. They enrich the soil, add organic matter when their roots decompose, and give you food while healing the land. If you're just starting your soil revival journey, beans are your most reliable entry point. You don't need synthetic fertilizers or, fancy soil amendments to bring life back into your garden. By planting these 12 natural soil healers, You're restoring fertility the way nature intended, slowly, steadily, and really, permanently. The secret is diversity. Mix and rotate these plants so that your soil gets nitrogen, deep-rooted aeration, disease suppression, and a steady stream of organic matter. Over time, your soil transforms from lifeless dust into a thriving, living ecosystem. So if your soil looks dead, don't give up. It's just waiting for the right plants to wake it up. There you have it, friends. 12 plants that can revive your dead soil without a single chemical. This is gardening the way it was meant to be, natural, sustainable, and honestly, deeply rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles for more soil wisdom, and share this with a fellow gardener who's struggling with tired soil. Together we can bring life back to the ground beneath our feet, one plant at a time.